how can you use a computer to make money? Because if you can make money on the internet, you can live anywhere you want to be. You can do anything you want to do. You can work anytime you want to work with your time. Now, every day I wake up and I have a choice to make. I have a lot of choices. I can do anything I want with my time because my business is completely automated. My business allows me to make $10,000 every single day. And I'm actually going to show you in this training that I'm holding this week exactly how you can build your own online business, how you can actually copy and paste a business with that's already proven, like a franchise owner. Don't be an entrepreneur. Do not be an entrepreneur. Be a franchise owner. You can model something that's already proven and you can use it to make lots of money online. Here, let me show you. Let me show you. So here, come over here. So this is my computer over here, and this here, let me show you. This is the amount of money I make. This is one of my accounts, and this is the amount of money I make every single day. $3,473 I've made just so far today. That's just so far today. Here, come here, come here. $6,252. Here's what I've made so far this month, okay? Here's what I've made so far this month. Current sales, that's $299,000. It's about $10,000 every single day. Look at what I made last month. Last month, $339,579.49. Now, on this free training that I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to be giving this away. All this money here, I'm actually going to be giving it away to you, to those of you that are on this training and who are engaged. I'm going to be giving this away because I want people to understand what it is like, that this is possible. But what you have to do, here, come back here, is you have to understand how the system works. You have to understand, we've been taught to use our hands. We've been taught to work for companies. We've been taught to work for hourly wages or monthly salaries like chattel slaves. We've been conditioned through the education system. Don't ask questions, stay your role, wait your turn. They've conditioned us through a governmentally controlled education system to stick in our place and work a job which will never afford us the ability to make serious money and live a life of freedom. The computer democratizes everything. This is your chance to make money and make a lot of it. This is your chance to make serious cash. Now, if you sign up for this training, when you sign up for this training, I will be giving away, I'll be explaining to you how I am giving away this money, and I will be showing you how you can get it.